Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to recover an unsaved Microsoft Excel file. So firstly click on Start and open Excel. Now here click on File. Then click on Info. Now here you will see option Versions. Click on this drop down. You will see option Recover Unsaved Workbooks. If you will find any unsaved file, so open it. Select it and open. This one. Now you can save this file. And second method, you can try if this method not work. So open File Explorer. Now copy and paste this address I will give in description. Then press enter. So here you will see a list of unsaved Microsoft Excel file. Just open it. That's it. So this two way you can recover unsaved file. And another way, just you have to open recycle bin, and in recycle bin you will find any file, so you have to restore. Right click on it and click on restore if you will find your Excel file here. So this way guys you can recover Excel file. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, so share, like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.